some people may have about me have couple life to share with you know. Seeing so RT boss and Momo are eat up back my people. You see me I say and it look like say yo which part it reach you know. It reach a place where them I go all out. The two of them I go all out. So now I go hear which part it reach you know my people. You see me I say because Momo forward and she said something about RT boss. You see me I say some some very very disturbing things. You see it RT boss him say him have like some things to say right you know my people. I'm gonna make you hear what him say because him say him a take it to Momo and then I'm gonna make you hear what Momo say after him RT boss say what him say because she say she not back down and when I try get her to do she a double down my people. You see me I say she still a stand pan way she a stand pan and people it reach a level right now where no turning back. You see me? So me I gonna make you hear that me I go play RT first then me play Momo and me I go na a next live with D and Khandy. D go for Khandy because Khandy say some things about her. You see me? So we're gonna get tonight you know my people. So we're gonna kick it off for the RT boss.
Man no come forward, no police no come forward. I don't hear no police call me, no police no report to me, no documents no depart me, no warrant no serve for me. All of these allegations are out there. Mind you, this is America. This is America. With them the allegation there and attack them things there. That's something where you're supposed to report and go to the police, make the police investigate if you feel as if that is what is going on. So the moral of the story is we have an altercation in the media and this lady decides that she want to bring me down and come with all sorts of animosity. No, when me I tell the people and me have to go in my pocket. Because nobody don't come to me and me can't sit down and wait for all of these negative energy. So me have to go in my pocket, I a lawyer, get this thing to clean up all of these gray where I don't start. And it is very damaging to the brand and it is very downgraded for try to mix me up in something like that. That is when you're trying to damage someone's character. Because the only thing I am seeing getting a little shake from this whole atmosphere is a character. Because everybody respect me and look at me as a good person. So this is only something to damage the character, but it can't damage me. And once it can fix, then the character will be able to be back in place. Nobody can bring me down. And let me send this direct message to the royal family. I work for a lot of people. I advise a lot of people. You know that. And I go with Milo and Nanda everywhere when me and see me come live. When me I travel in New York, Philadelphia, anywhere around state, you see me and my family them over these years. I don't travel alone. So all of these negative plans, and if you guys listen to the story, because I know you guys are following it, and if you guys are following the story doesn't add up. If you have a story like that and you are saying that me boy, make boy can't come out and trick boy family, then me come back me here say me a pay off boy. Like a lot of you people only need to look into the story, even though I am doing it because I mean to fix it, but only have to match the story and make the story make sense. Because notice the story cannot make sense based on what they must say. The story cannot make sense. Because if me I threaten the boy enough to come out as can to them, and if me I pay off the boy, like it doesn't make no sense. It is just a trap to try to make RT look bad based on his spiritual energy and how him do film thing. I gotta say something to you over here, so. Many of you people say, oh, no, watch me regular. Do you watch me? Do really well time I click this damn button you come? Every time when you get the time and I click this button, you come out? Well, if you come out when I click this button all the way, let me rephrase something. I tell you to. Say people are going to try to come set me up, but we are going to prevail. But for me, forget about me. Let me explain something to you. The African man where I bring over TikTok will come and I say, for read, and say you have a problem with it, and I say to you that I feel like the African makes sense. The African makes sense. The African man read me and him tell me about 2 women. Una ask him if it's spice. And me ask him if it's spice because at the time I only me and spice in a problem. Him said there is a woman trying to bring you down and she's trying to bring you down but she cannot. You are very strong. Continue to kill the goat them and do your sacrifice. You were saying to the man, are you talking about spice? Even me. Did I say to the African, are you talking about spice? When the royal family them, that would fuck me what you talk about. Me want you know your boss and listen to him. Because you hear when the African man prophesy and tell me. Say there's a woman is trying to bring me down and I must be careful, but it's not going to work. Because I am a spiritual man, my cover just continue to do what I do for the people. How much people there say hear it? We were so confused. Where we say, I want if a spice, we give him spice, we say Gracie. You don't remember? So if you remember that as a royal family, then you should feel proud and feel fucking good in yourself. You know, say, okay, this is why the man are talking about them and try to set up Bossy. This is a spiritual ground, my fans. Anything that happen for you or happen for me, we're going to know. But one thing I want you to remember what the African man say. I'm going to try to see if I can find back that video there. The African man said, there's a woman, a black woman. And when Jim said the black woman, that is why we believe it was spice. He said there's a black woman that determined to bring you down. You have to be careful of her. And that is why everybody did start look things as spice. Now if you don't know what going on, you just come here. He's an African reader man. Come to me to tell me that they must scam in Africa with my name. And it is affecting his business. That's how I meet him. He come to me and say he's from Africa.
People may wonder how RT boss and Momo reach Yasso. Because when I did RT boss thing when him keep at Jamaica, you know, Momo they did it, you know. Yeah man, Momo flying for go. You see me I say, so Momo I go talk how it reach Yasso with she RT boss. You see me and RT boss him a go talk some things because him get some money him saying up people from some of people them, right? And him a go to the fullest with this in my people. You see me I say, so him say them give him some money for, you know what I mean, go through with what him a do. You see me I say, a whole heap of things him talk, man. Him talk even say, you know what, me not go talk out it, me go make you hear what him a say. So
And because of how they're using my name with the scamming and the TikTok and so forth, it a fuck up for him business. You never say fuck up, but him use film word. Me just break it down. Everybody remember when he come out here and say it. So him say we need to do something about it and he will try to help to do something about it because people are mixing up say my scammer as well. I so come to meet him. And then we say, all right, read me. Read people. Him read me, him read other people. But the problem was, everybody the same reading too slow. Because you have to send the information, take the number and all of this and every that. Everybody has to try reading too slow and but me and me never bought him out. Okay. So if you are a royal family, have that in your head. And let me explain something to you, the royal family now. You never see me nowhere yet with no man. You never see me have no man in the royal family. You always see me run a whole heap of woman. And you know that I'm a principal person. Watch this now. Look how much people get my in them reading. And me draw it out. What did I say to them?
Let it out. Let go the pain. Let's talk about it. You can't hold on on that. Free it out of your mind. That'll hold you back. Look how much time me help people with them situation there. And I want the royal family to know this. I'm going to hear this from a spiritual perspective. This is a setup and a plan, and they will come to justice, and the royal family will celebrate, and we will execute the full penalty of the law right out to the end, because we are victorious people, and nobody now go just try to bring we down like that and leave we hanging. We are going to use this as a prime and a main example. You see how me loud them make them talk, and me make them talk, and I say, oh, me not retaliate. I always have lawyer. I do not move without lawyer in America. And this is what I want you to know. When my lady come with her excitement and her talk, it never go on with nothing. It start damage me now. And now me I feel the damaging. Now is the time for definition of character, because me notify the court. It no work so. People let us go run up in their mouth and you just run so. It have to be a constant numerous things that people do and not stopping. But the part where me not like about it is that me have to go take up my own money. What me have to do? To fix things. We crosses people and go blood clot paper back. When me done every expense. Because them are going to pay it for. Because down to the pussy me a sue. And the grey hair. I mean, I use no badness. I mean, I use no Jamaican badness. I'm using the spiritual realms and God Almighty. I mean, I want nobody defend me. I want everybody back down and make the Lord dealt with this. Because money there night to come back to come give no blood clot and say, hey, even though them not happy. So I don't want no royal family walk and hold on your head. Walk and hold up your blood clot head.
That is it.
Walk and hold up your head high. And years mean at this. Years means that this I mean a blood clot every day, me and people in a bag. So if me know me have my dirty file, why the blood clot me there bring down people when me have my dirty file? Everybody have them blood clot day, and this is not my day, because this is not a day where God send. This is a people that try send this day, and I rebound it. The thing about it, me not understand. When I dig up the blood clot girl file, and I look in at the blood, the girl charge. I can't even blood clot. The girl is not on my standard who come out, people. When we run that blood clot background, the girl charge for, I don't even know if it's a 13 blood clot different charge the crosses girl have. And I don't have nothing for my file. The girl have, oh, let me take my time to blood clot. See, the girl have charged for prostitution. The girl have charged for scamming. The girl have charged for giving wrong information to police. The girl have charged for battery. The girl have charged for domestic affair. The girl have charged for robbery. The girl have charged for drug charge. Over 13 blood clot charge Momo have. When if you dig up money farmer, you know a story. How the fuck them the people there to come in my class when you are not living no law by the blood clot citizen of foreign? You are a blood clot criminal. And not what the word where the lawyer says she under again. What's the word where them flag her with?
Global fly watch.
What?
I think it's a global fly watch.
Protecting global fire watch. This blood clot, nobody blood clot girl that come for me and I come try like she want come bring down my brand. When we are dig up blood clot file, I say this bitch a full of criminal activity. I sell pussy for him in blood clot 20s. How much time him get blood clot misdemeanor and charge for prostitution. And domestic of blood clot. Over 13 blood clot charge money charge or blood clot out there. Girl when I have a reputation, so she don't have nothing for blood clot last. That is why she want come for blood clot reach me. Because when they check it out, no blood clot, nothing of that there. You're the on global fly watch. You're a blood clot criminal.
on a level still, me people, you know what I mean, on social media, if somebody bring your name up in a them something there, you see me I say you have to defend your name to the fullest. You understand me? So RT boss, him have all the right for defend him name. You see me, but it to Momo attack my people. It look like say, you know what I mean? Me don't want to say it still, but it look away how Momo attack and how him say what him say and Momo say she not get nothing. Cause him a say him send must see papers or whatever to Momo and Momo say she not get nothing. And that if it tap Momo for and talk and Momo still attack. You see me I say? So Momo stand up and what she say. And una go hear what Momo say still in the people. You see me? So what RT boss I say right now, Momo now listen to that. Momo do fear thing. You see me? And it reach to the officer them you know. You see me? We not go hear Momo still. But we want listen to RT boss and hear everything we must say because he must say some things in my people. You know what I mean? And you have to defend your thing certain way. Right? So he must say him get money from people and him lose money also and a whole heap of money him say him lose because of what I go on now. Is it? So we could listen some more.
For the address. And then these fucking unscrupulous Jamaican don't look on the alibi and the quality of people who are gonna come with that blood clot mix up. You are gonna look on that old skirmish for bring me down? You must have sick no blood clot. Me, I can make that skirmish that bring me down when I never know nothing about that. You're crazy. This is America. She have no blood clot reputation and I'm trying to come bring forth a man with citizens like me when me never mix up in a bangarang here. You come try. Let me tell you something. You look on that blood clot, y'all fight. And more, listen to me, want to know. What Momo is doing to me, people, I wish she do to more than one smaddy. It is our dynasty to do them blood clot. You can't depend on our track record. It depend on our track record. Them girl and nobody. And things what them do. They must bring down a man one day. I don't know if he mix up in a nook or whatever. But that's something what they do. So they believe that they can scoop me under it. Let me tell you this, you know. I want the royal family them stand up with me. My wife, let me tell you about wifey. And I first may I go through baga. And my wife there with me. My wife is unbothered because she know me no guilty. My wife now go click media so. If she click the media, let's see something bad. So she now come click the media to come address carelessness. When she knows that may entertain careless people when the lawyer have to address it. Please to verify, I'm going to say this brawling. There's a cease and desist issue over that global bitch. And with the cease and desist, whatever you want to call it, and she's supposed to come out, come make a public apology and explain to the people them. And from she get that letter, she just blood clot, quiet and chain up over there now, opening blood clot mode. But I want him to tell you this blood clot. No, I can't tell me, say, remember, so we are Jamaican when me put on my blood clot foot, because I'm coming out. I'm coming out. The reason why I'm not hear me bumbo clot say no, because what is in this to say? To give people ammunition for bumbo. Listen, you are weak, come on. The power of Momo have me fuck up boy. Every day she and boy they on life parents, mama, every blood clot body. Me fuck up boy any blood clot. In the evidence that they run the blood clot place everywhere already. It'll be a blood clot crusade and every blood clot. So all the information where she said she have the police come for me. Don't touch the blood clot. Be all of that with the out already. So what are the evidence? PMO talking and these illiterate blood clot people who want run with it. I saw me know no idiot because you don't know. But you know why I come this morning? Because I get a 50,000 donation to use to fix it. So I get strong. I get stronger, I get money, free money. I get stronger. Because I just see who I am. Somebody cry I water and say, hold this.
So people not hear him say him get money. And how much him get. Wanna tell me if you don't believe him. Because that another look a bit of money, you know, people. That a whole heap, you know. And if somebody take up that amount and gear, you know, they must have it enough, you know. Someone want to tell me if you don't feel like say him get that for real or him just a chat. Because remember, you know, I'm a Jamaican, you know. You see me I say? If I did Jamaican, okay, yeah, him could have, you know what I mean? But if somebody take up so much gear, no man, this to me it may be a over you know what I mean? My exaggerate. Me no feel like him get so much big man thing. You see me I say? But Momo stand pan where she stand pan my people. And when did I say earlier on in the video, I say if somebody like that can bring him down and them something there, it don't matter who the person is still, you know. It doesn't matter who the person is. As long as them a come with the truth and them something there, it don't really matter. You see me? So, I want to tell me what I think. We're going to watch some more people.
Listen, me boss. You can't make the people them do you like that, me boss. Me say no worry yourself, mama. She said, take this and fix yourself. Blood clot, yeah, my boss. No more people out there for help. I don't want to know like me, you know. But this is what I want you to know. If you don't have nothing to do with me, go f yourself. Because you is a blessing to me, not a curse. You represent my blessing. That's how me meds you. I'm in a business where you want pre me. Because you see the moral of this story, Royal Family? It is just for me to more look into myself and see who me deal with and who me entertain. Mind you, no, Milo and Nikki. Look how much places I go. And Royal Family keep them gathering. We carry them kids. I am the man who organize everything. When the people them come and just love me and overlove me and do business and kill it with the love, I say to the people them say, listen, it's two different things. When me go, we don't know, and the picnic them a come, this is where Milo, that the person there, daycare, that there. So separate the something now, put them over here, so put where. I'm a principal man, people. Me no play a joke. There's nobody can say me and them pitney go over no energy. I don't play them game. Me no Michael Jackson. Me no Michael Jackson. Look how much nice blood clot young girl like Jamaica and so forth. Look at the one at Jamaica who walk fuck on a foreign when you know foreign wicked. I am not that person. But and this is when me I declare aggressive reaction from the royal family them. Do not sit down and make nobody tarnish with name. Class up them blood clot and go in at them. Bitch, my boss come with receipt. When my boss I bring people, him bring with receipt. And I so come to know my boss with the receipt. So if when I come from my blood clot boss, when I come with the receipt. If when I come from my boss, because everybody do the coming game, okay? We don't stop nobody from come, but everybody do the coming game. But come with the receipt. That's what we learn from RT. Come with receipt. No, anybody no stop on the from no coming game, but just come with the receipt. This one bag of chat and no receipt. Eh? The amount of people me help. And the people that might hear this. The high water load where them a shed for me alone cut and clear me. For how people so wicked. The moral of the story is, is how people... Alright, let me rewind. Let me bust back people head. If we not watch the war. My love, my class woman and tell woman I start I think I cuss where I cuss in the cuss. The woman's word was... You remember what she said?
I'm going for your family.
Talk what she said.
I'm going for your family. I'm going for your wife. I'm going for your kids. I'm going for everything you love. I'm destroying you. I'm going to destroy you. I'm the wrong person for you to play with.
Say it again, make them hear. Talk with Ed. I know you really... But talk with power, make them hear it.
I am going to destroy you. I'm the wrong person to play with. May I go in your family? All your wife? Yeah. She, and she talk and she go on.
Who was there? Who did I watch it live? So this is her coming back. For coming at my family, but bitch, thank you for coming there. But you just don't have no money. But oh yourself, you shall work it. This is what they're trying to do. From them come out with this whole thing, them spin, then long after them come with one voice note where you can't hear the person good. Everybody has said them can't hear the voice note. Then them come, them release picture as Smaddy. Then them I said this. Listen people, then the Smaddy are the picture where them release. Them, the person where them release, them not post nothing on them page regarding the allegation. So it's just one bag of blood clot, ring a rose. I'm only here to explain to the fans until you get my receipt when I'm going to come with to clear my name. Because I'm using the lawyers them to clear my name and come with my receipt. She stopped talking now because she get the cease and desist. But me attack same way because me not get me apology.
Some people, you must say, Momo top talk, but people are right after RT boss. Me come off a RT boss thing, then me go over Momo and hear what Momo say. And that me I go make on hear. You see me, and it look like say Momo did a hear what him a say. Because she talk about some things with him just say. You see me I say? So she not tapped. She attack same way. Because she believe in a way. She a say. You know what I mean? And where the youth tell her. You know what I mean? And people, this look very messy. You know what I mean? It don't look good. You see me? And them say when you have a certain level of power a certain way, you have a certain level of response. You know what I mean? So you have to know what you do. And you know what I mean? Remember say anything what you do, so may I say there are consequences. So make watch some more people.
Me attack same way because she not come out come address it. Me attack same way because it is damaging to my character. Me not make no money. Me lose over $30,000 last week. Everybody take back them reading money. $30,000 me lose. In a 1 week, everybody take back their money. Why? Allegation. So it is damaging to me. So that me want to know. So this is not joke story. May the best man win. Because me I walk with God in front of me, Saint Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, Joshua, Mother Miriam behind me. People, when I search you know why I say this? Because I say, why are people so wicked? When we realize this girl and I have nothing to lose, so why she envy me? You have 13 different charge and depend global watch. And then again, everybody don't watch her, you know, for sure. They say the US is the government because you don't see how she operate, right? You don't see how she roll, right? You see what me do now is I poke him this morning again, you know, because no, he say anytime me come for me. So me poke him this morning for come out again. I'm want to see say he getting season in this season and he's still a hot poke me more like him have smaddy. You need to tell him say no, say I'm praying for you and RT. All I'm asking the family them is pray for me. I know for a fact that I will be victorious because this is great. Nothing no go so. But you know what bother me? Let me tell you the truth, what bother me real. You see people that don't like me? Oh Lord. And they make me spend my money, you know. Because you have some of them don't like me. I wish to see everything bad happen. So make them go and rejoice. Make them get them little fame. But one thing me know. When me come out back, I will come in out like this. No, otherwise from that, the royal family them, just go and watch the weather, watch the story, watch how it work out. But just one thing I want you guys to know. No police no confront me, no papers no come to me. Any papers issue and me alone I issue papers. No police no come to me, nobody no send nothing, no warrant no out for no arrest me, no hear about nothing. I don't hear nothing from nothing to do with no lawyer, no attorney, no police from nobody. Only me alone have to angle my side because of my name and mix. That is the situation. No want to know what's going on. So, and you know me knowing myself say people don't believe me. I am not here to push a picture, to paint a picture. Because me know for a fact. Me not ask you know. We work with energy. Me know for a fact say. The royal, me don't know about people out there. Me talk to people who watch me, the supporter, the people who work for, the people who listen to me, the people who me and them power. It's not to them no business about my life. It's just that me know from heaven to earth say, who don't know nothing go so. Because at the end of the day, you know me is a smart man. I want to know me have a family. I want to know me no idiot. I want to know me no so careless. I want to know me never put myself in a problem when me have my family and me have too much enemy. I want to know me sensible. So obviously, you know just laugh. But the moral of the story, if you want to know, when we want to understand how it come in, and that's all we need to know because someone don't know how it come in. It come in over the Dewey and Momo situation. When I was partnered with Queenie and Dewey take Momo, and we go over there to ask her if I saw it go, and we cause an argument, and we go down Emmanuel Road, and we cuss and it go all over, and then me start a hyper, say, move and me win the cussing, she know what I about, say, she will come for Nikki, she will come for the family, she will go in and my family, mash up, then weeks after this she come with. So the moral of the story is, this girl is so wicked wherein she can't take fear beating at the media. She have to go the extra mile to bring it in a people life, reality. But one thing I want you to know, my fans, and this is what I know and I teach you every day, the seed that you sow, you shall reap.
A whole heap of money that him say the people them take back, you know. Yeah, man, a whole heap of money that, man. Man, I tell you. Yeah, no start. So, you hear him say it start now, my people. So him say it start. You know what I mean? And reach to, yes, so. And people may I look upon it and may I say, Jano, look how Momo got him thing at Jamaica and them did a go on and now look what them they know. That's why I say people, you have to know what you do more while yeah, man. You see me I say?
But that is what I can say to you guys. If you remember the story and remember how it started, put that clip in your head, if you realize there is through the couscous and RT class R, because everybody know how my mouth stay. I can't take that away. Everybody know my mouth stay. And through RT class R and class R in the couscous war in the media, she go down one different road. And if you don't remember good, you know, when she go down the road, me turn to her and say, I will no longer in any more social media excitement and argument with that lady because whatever she's do. Remember me put out all of a statement, man. And that mean me tell her say me nah do no more war and no more answer back with her because she passed her as a place. But one thing I want the people to know. My wife is okay, the family is okay, the kids is okay, everybody is okay. Listen what you need to know. The people that might watch me a long time from Facebook know say, I would say this is one of the worst things they would ever put for my name. But the people that might watch me a long time know say, when scamming in that, them used to say me a scammer. Tina Chin report me to the feds and all of them suck me there and all of them suck me there. Doctor love him. One whole heap of sitting people them watch and all of them something that me pass through all of them stage there. So it's like what people are doing right now is sometimes I go back and the people remember the days them who watch me from longer time, fret them and all of the days them. When me see all them I sitting here with bling and all what go on and even me laugh. Because I've been there and done that with the whole fret them, Dr. Love, see I'm married, the whole of them. So it's like life is like a cycle, it keep repeating itself. So it's like these people when them come for me in the media and try to bring me down, it don't really be a problem to me. Because I know it not gonna work. I know it's a 9-day talk and after we pass this thing soon gone again. I wanna ask a question. Man them. But the more the man them never want to talk, I don't know anybody know. But listen what I want to ask. But every single person within the life, I know most of them I work for.
You know. Some of you see me already, some of them I work for. When I am in your energy, when you pay your private reading and pay your money, this is a question I'm asking. Both private and pay money for work. When me and you are deal, both man and woman, do I give any form of energy like to make you feel uncomfortable sexually, both man and woman?
Do I ever give none only that form of energy, no strictly business? Even when I meet with you guys at the hotel and we talk and so forth, no strictly business. Nobody can say me put that energy to them. Happy, love and
respect as a father, daddy. So I don't understand these people. And when I go to the place and bath the people and make the people and bath themselves, let me repeat it, we prepare the bath
and the people and bath themselves. When I am doing bath, let me tell you how bath go. Every single person around the world we get bath, them know I go. Milo in a room, me in the room, and the bath make. And them go in the bathroom and the bathroom door privately, and them bath themselves. Very rare when me touch them, unless an elder person and them sick. Them me say to them, say, you know, the reason why I don't really want to put my hand on you, this is America, and you know, we don't want nobody to say, right, that is why. She said, okay, yes, everybody understand.
So once me say, this is America, I don't want them to say, yeah, understand. And me prepare the bath and then go in the bathroom, go back themselves. And Milo and Nikki always there and Nanda. No, why I'm just outlining this thing to Uno is just to make Uno know how we work. I may only repeat what Uno know.
I don't know what me add in. Anyway, me ever go at TikTok. But me just want to know. Me put out my season this season. When you look and see things that go on same way as a royal family, please record. Because everything is illegal right now. Because the court notify. The law notify. things is in process. I mean, I not more for say to you know. So if you are keep on I see my name a drag, you need to turn on a screen record and screen record it and send it on my phone. Because this bitch not supposed to out there bring down my name with an allegation when she get by her information with if she shut up. And if you come apologize and come tell the people them your truth. And I'll know the woman can't move. I'm going to say something to a person. I'm going to say this. My head turn, my hand turn, my heart shift. I am walking in a road now with a battle torch. And I see 7 demons looking at me. And I say to these 7 demons, come, I have work for you. I'm ready. That's my message to the royal family. May God bless you. Because this is what I want you to know. If I figure hackle Mr. Grown Man, fish get ready. But I ain't gonna make these motherfuckers try make me look my, because one thing may I defend, reputation for the brand. So one thing may I tell you, me guns out, me all in, me cash in. That's where me leave it, on a fully spiritual level. Because one thing me know the royal family, them need to know, if I'm the spiritual man, then let me see them.
And I'm not saying I'm using the spirituality to cover up nothing. I'm using the spirituality. And what kind of spirituality may I use? I mean, I be example, real. The one we may I use now is the love of the people. And the one where the angel behind me I use is death. The one where the spirit will place me here to help all I want to do is opening the curtain of death. And I approve that spiritual realms. Because I am not going to sit down and bawl for wicked people that try to tarnish my name. May God bless you, and that's all I have to say to the spiritual people in every area. When it on the spiritual, rise up on the machete. Because we have things to chat down.
So people, me no wanna think about everything we RT boss say. You hear him say Momo if you can tell him sorry and whatever. Why people nothing like that? Momo a double down pan what she say already. And I go hear right now. See it? And I go hear what Momo have to say. And me not lie my people. Momo look like she ready for anything. Because she said them thing yeah happen already, you know. You see me? With the next person. And she bring him down. She help bring him down. So it look like the same thing she a look for do RT boss. You see me I say? So I could hear what more have to say I know my people.
Y'all think I'm gonna go back and forth about no nigga that I reported to the authorities. You know what y'all do? Y'all sit down and suss about shit as content. Me, I love fuckery like anybody else and run joke like everybody else. I love a good story like anybody else. But you see, when it comes to facts and morals of a grown man touching somebody's because I was a victim, I was younger, was a grown man and knew what the I felt as a child growing up and went through certain trauma and battles, I would never tell a lie on a man's name. And I'm not going to justify to you little itty boos, his little followers, his little send-outs. See, you can't trigger me. Well, y'all think I'm going to sit on here. What? Y'all don't. The other day, we going to continue to go here while he has to continue to call my name and tell lie about cease and desist and lawyer in case. There is a in case, RT. I told you, nigga. I said, listen, go and retain a federal lawyer. You are going to need it because this is the internet. I made a federal link. This is the internet. You live in Delaware. The boy lives in Miami. He said it happened in New York. He said he was driven from Florida to New York. That's kind of like, but together y'all had bonds and shit like that. Then his mother put you in the car with him. to show you directions to a hotel in Jamaica, Queens. That's trafficking now. So why am I going to sit down and go back and forth with you motherfuckers? Do you think I'm going to come up here every day? I did my part until I am needed to assist again, because I will use my voice for that young man, because he could have been my son, he could have been my brother, he could have been my cousin, he could have been my father, he could have been anybody, because boys are being touched. Women, girls are being touched. And the ups get away every day because they can mentally destroy them, so they're scared to talk. Or they build a stock syndrome relationship with them. Sometimes there's people that have been that they think that it's their fault. I remember when I went into the shower at 12 years old, and I felt dirty. I felt dirty, and I scrubbed my skin. I kept saying, why would my stepdad... Y'all think I do this shit? I don't give a fuck about nobody's opinion and nothing for clout. I talk. I talk. It's not now. What, because y'all know me from Mix Up with Queenie and Fit Dewey? That's a storyline. Whoever know me from before know I talk and don't play with y'all. I never will. It's factual. Jermaine that just got 9 years, I started that shit. He was one of the men on my live that was a gay male that brought other gay males over here. And I asked them, 8 out of 10 of them niggas said they were by someone in their home, another man. And I said, how Jamaica is such a homophobic country, but these young males' first experience is getting tested by another man. And it's a homophobic country. Hey Pink, I did a whole thing over here where my straight male friends, oh, we don't want to watch one, we don't go back on your life, Momo. And I said, it's not about you. Because y'all focus on only the women too. There's boys that are being touched. Matter of fact, we don't even like to talk about our females. If you go back, if I added everybody on this live and I asked them, I know they have a cousin, a grandmother, or even their mother, guaranteed someone touched somebody that they can know, or if not them. And we normalize this shit. We don't talk about this shit. So anytime he sends us to the fake page and ball out cease and desist, that's fine. I don't give a fuck. I have nothing to worry about because I'm standing on it. And every time y'all come over here and tell me, oh, RT ball out cease and desist, I don't have no cease and desist. If y'all want to believe what y'all want to believe, because at the end of the day, how is it affecting you? If I came up here and told a lie, how is it affecting you? How is it affecting you? How important is RT Boss, Nardo Smith, for me to tell a fucking lie? That's how I know y'all slow, redundant. Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing under your fake page. Look what you're doing. You came over here justifying that nigga. Now you worried about niggas. No, let's stay focused. That RT Boss fuck boy at 15. And I'm going to continue to say it. He could ball out cease and desist till God come. Nigga, this happened from last year. I would have been had documentation in my name. You see the time when him did a ball out, I been sent over them vice note. They been make a report. Been contacted who I want to contact. And I said, retain a federal lawyer the same way I did with Jermaine. Same way I did with OBC Radio. I picked up the phone and I did it on the live. T-Ball, I'm not asking you. I did this. There was a time where I used to do all these serious lives where I had to just stop because it became overwhelming. Because people were reaching out to me, telling me some of their darkest fucking secrets. I had married men that were married, never been with a male, told me, sometime, Mo, I get urges to be with other men because that was my first time. That was my experience. You understand what I'm saying? So when y'all dumbasses come with the fake page, most of the time it's y'all because y'all want to boost me. I'm standing on my word. What you think I'm going to slip up? Let me tell you one thing why I'm in when I cuss people, I don't tell lie upon them. You want to know why? You have to remember that lie. You have to stick to that lie. Me, I don't give a fuck. You know, could I tell me some so good like dog? I have 25 man. I'm always gonna have different man, and I'm still married to one. Always been. Not leaving blood clot. Everybody know that, right? And I can be the biggest dog shit on Jankro. But one thing where majority of those that know me will always say one thing, you know, said a gal in a tell lie though. Cause my word is everything. So why am I gonna mess up my word over one man on the internet? Y'all did the same thing with me with OBC radio. The evidence is in front of y'all fucking face. Y'all hear, y'all see, and y'all still took up for that man. Me, I didn't give a fuck. Got on the phone. I said, oh yeah, and this is somebody that was parring with me on my life. And when I found out, I said, Jermaine, I'm hearing that you, oh, da 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 da, and he was, and then I'm reading the paperwork. I'm not stupid. I'm not like only, you know. Me, I listen. I mean, I look for evidence. Me start doing my research. The boy came out. I see how he tried to cow down the boy from talking. The man started crying on the live. Some of y'all motherfuckers hack that nigga, bro. This is why people don't want to come up. Oh, them call it Batman. This, that. He didn't choose that shit. And I seen how y'all dealt with him. And I picked up the phone on live. I'm not y'all motherfuckers. So I don't give a fuck about one fake page that feels some type of way. Cause most of the time it's you or you sent over somebody here to do it. And I stood firm. I'm assuming, oh, liar, gal, you're this, you're that, bitch, da-da-da. Mind you, the evidence in front of them face and all that. So I said, the world is full of followers. I'll be the one that's standing over there by myself while 20,000 people are standing over here on the other side.
And people, and I like Momo, I tell you, no, most of them people yeah, want somebody to like lead them. You see me? I say if them have somebody with them love on social media, me I tell you say that person can't do no wrong for them. Them are gonna defend that person there. You see me? I say, and me not say you can't love a person, you know, and stand up for that person there, you know. But you have to know how you stand up for that person there because enough people can come with them bag of rumors and all them something there. You see it, and you can stand up for somebody where you love. But when you see say boy, it a reach to a level where person them a come with all different type of things and yeah, see say boy, you know say this look like a so it go, then you have to, you know what I mean, make that choice if you say, you know what, me love that person yeah, but he look away to me. So me I gotta just step back and see what I go on and then you know what I mean? So we can watch some more and hear what more say my people.
Thank you for changing my topic. Maybe this is a well-needed topic to make somebody else talk out right now. So maybe this was God will to make your dumbass come under the fake page and tell me fuckery. You understand what I'm saying? I can't be moved because I know I'm telling the truth. So I don't give a fuck. I'm just calculated. You want to know why? Because I feel like, oh, God bless no man curse. The man come over and try to bring my blood clot down and look out just drop out. So I just the only thing with that for clear up. So I did not ever hear anything about him and noise until that day. Now I was hearing my Batman. I don't care who's a Batman because that's a sexual preference. Tomorrow if me want Batam, nobody can tell me enough for Batam. I am. I am. Some of us know I'm me I look the deer. Then first I'm lying on him. Then it becomes my son. Then it becomes this. I already made a report. That's why the first time I played that voice note was on Cheese Live. That was the first time he heard all of that on Cheese Live. He's never heard it before. And I made sure that I gave it to the authorities. It wasn't a clout thing. So when y'all motherfuckers running off y'all mouth, I was help building a case. Federal people are trained. You know what's so stupid? The same stupid shit that y'all watch over here, even what ticked me off, when he goes, we're gonna go on TikTok court first. And then from there I'm take our paperwork. The whole time feds is watching all of us. Feds is watching to make sure I'm not lying. And let me tell you something. There is no internet clout or person that could make me tell no lie to commit perjury to go to fucking jail. I'll tell you that. Because here, me supposed to come out of prison now, not go in, not for no lying. You know, much time me bust my blood clot gun. You wonder why I don't have a record? Because I don't do dumb shit. I will always defend myself. So thank you for coming under here under your fake page and felt like you were going to hurt my feelings or do something. Maybe someone needs to hear this to talk up. And I'm going to continue to talk because I'm not lying. I want the boy to be able to come out. You see, if that had my son, and I can't even say what I want to say because that would be a terroristic threat. But if it was my son, you think you could have ramped with? At them time, I'm going to sit down for Uncle Sam bench them and take the 3 bills because I know some do it for a reason. If it was my son, down to the moment you forget time to car, you shouldn't send your boy to a hotel with a grown-ass man. That is not a family member. Not even family members. That is reckless. Now we got grown men that are hurt. They have to deal with being that there. And then he has to deal with his ledger. Yo, when I hear his voice, bro, it was so sad to me for something happened to them years ago now. You a man and you crying on the fucking phone. And there's a lot of men like that. And then y'all wonder why a person doesn't want to come out and talk. Because you have y'all little dunce, ignorant, itebu bots will want to sit down and draw down a person for telling their story. You want to draw down a person because they're telling you something that happened to them. And because y'all not even friends with this nigga. Uno just licky. A man give out little money. Oh, he's an influencer. Pay attention to the people them that have to buy their way in life. Pay attention. You know what's worse than the people that's buying their way through life? Is the people that participate in uplifting a person in a situation to continue to do bullshit to other people. This is why they'll always say I might not have friends, because if you're my friend and you do fuckery, I tell you the truth. You get offensive. You make it seem as if, oh no, Momo doesn't like me because that's what she said. Why would Momo say that?
Alright, so my people, on the hear what Momo say, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. Because on the hear what RT boss say, cause by now Momo supposed to shut up and not say nothing. And Momo still a say things. You see me I say? And she said she not get nothing where RT boss must send go give her if she shut up. She said she not get none of that. RT boss says she get it. You see me? So me want to tell me what you think in the comments. You see me? RT boss, him have a whole heap of people on social media, you know. So them are go over Momo and say this and say that. You know what I mean? Cause I'm tell them to defend him name. You see it? So want to tell more nothing people, and we're gonna go over to D and Khandy, you know.
Okay. If you got kids, it won't end well. All me have to say, all me have to tell you, kids big pussy girl. And me don't talk. Don't go kids. Don't bumbo clad go kids candy. You realize, oh me allow you from even and me I make you enjoy your bumbo class self, bitch. Don't bumbo clad go kids. Don't do that. No go kids. That's all me have to tell you. All me have to tell. No secret, come tell you already. Just like your friend them, him supposed to be your friend them. them not clean. You say me pitney them not clean, girl. Do not bumbleclad, but kids. Khandy don't start pan me pitney them. Do not start pan me pitney them. Do not start pan me pitney them. Don't start pan me pitney them. Cause anybody you want cuss, but don't go kids. Do not do it. Because you see up your son, you will chip out to a point when we send me start, there will be no fucking coming back. There will be no coming back when me start. Me love problem, whenever you get up on me today. Whenever you get up on me today, wanna talk the truth, guys. Who get up on who? No, she get up on me today. Khandy get up on me today. And when me I defend myself, Khandy over there tell her people them say me love attention and me love problem because I never blood clot she get up on me. I never blood clot she get up on me. When me go over there for her life, she say me pick them dirty, me pick them not clean. And then me start palm her section, you know. Me go over there and me comment, I blood clot love you. And me tell me people them say go and tell Khandy say they love her because Khandy want little love. Me say go tell Khandy son I love her. What is about picnic little while? Where's about tell me where's about picnic? Where's say? Where's about picnic little while?
I never me say that somebody in the comments said, listen, me not follow Khandy, me not hear me Khandy, watch her. Me not follow me not know nobody and people come over here and say that.
So oh she said she knows so much about me, she just said she have a file. She said D, I have the file. Me know so much about you. So how many
Slow that,
oh, me them little picture on social media get up every bumbleclad, you know. And they listen to people in a Lord of Jesus, may I give me mighty God, give me the strength and the courage, dear Jesus. Oh, this I never want to hear nothing else. Guys, I want the people then when no blood clot the official to fucking talk the fucking truth, you know. The official for a couple months are back. Me would have stood down here so some blood clot calm, you know. Me would have started rub Khandy from the first time when the ear Khandy sit down over there for me name she and Raja. And them a do their thing and them a go on and them a go on, you know. Me would have rub Khandy from this so you know. Me right or me wrong. Me right or me wrong. Look here, bitch, stop bumper class for me but done. Stop, look here, them no start me, you know. No start me. Cause you done black. Me a black you. Whether you are my fans or not, you too much now. What the fuck you spam me about done for? Stop spam me about done. Turn it down, Moto. Such girl, go suck your mother. Your big pussy mother, such girl. Me call your name, so click like me now. Go suck your mama, bitch. That me say, go suck your mama. But nobody call you fucking him. Nobody not dunce. People dunce, bitch. People dunce. Jordan, come on from live. Moto, turn it down, me I hear. When I get to me I come from, and as me say, from there me over here, me I run you about the situation because I realize, say, this girl, mental upstairs, like, she probably just get up today and just say, alright, the views now add up and she want little money. I me get it. I get it because everybody do that. Me get it. You understand? Me get it, me understand. So that's the reason why I never da cuss her and me not do the most. But remember now, guys, uno there, uno hear, you know. Wait. She never said, guys, she and her, something just now say, as somebody in the comment section say, me not take care of me picking them, and that she just said on her live, right? If somebody said that, she was the one who read it out, that she see as somebody say it, me never see no comment like that, me over there, me never see the comment. She see as somebody say it, right? I feel I want me hear it from, so me not take care of me picking them. Now, I talk the bumbleclad truth. If me feel really go down in a eating now, guys, start the truth, I'm rub Khandy the realest way. I'm start eat with Khandy the realest way. The whole I know I go say, me do a cuss, me this, me that, don't it? And that's what I go say now. The whole I know I go say, me do a cuss, me and a wife, me and a mother, me this, me that. That's all I go say. I want to see me sit down right just I want to see the little fucker them come trouble me, you know. I want to see they come trouble me, you know. I want to see brawling, listen they come trouble me, you know. And then y'all gonna talk about picnic not clean and picnic hungry and picnic this and picnic that. Jesus Christ have mercy, God. Jesus Christ have mercy. God have mercy, Jesus.
And people, you know me no like when them own your cuss. Them love talk about people. Picnic. Me don't like that. And as a woman, them fi know better. You see me I say? Them can't deal with the people them picnic like. You know what I mean? I cuss the people them picnic too. You see me? So we're gonna watch some more people and then we're gonna end it.
Now for me picking them attack KK, me nice, clean, good blood clad picking them. Them attack, but me picking them when me go to the hospital, go burp and belch out and poop out. And them then come out, my love. And at them same little woman here on sit down pan live and everybody sit down the other day and a ball with her when the boy take her for her picnic. And I say she a mother give her back her child. And you go sit down and attack things about other people picnic. And if me no attack your picnic, if I attack your child, you know, the people have a class me, you know, and say, yeah, classy girl picnic, yeah, this, yeah, that, yeah, this, yeah, that. Tell me now if fear picnic or fear game. I want to talk, you know, isn't her child fear game now? If these to get mad, if blood clot these to get mad, and these start talk, can the picnic a fear game? Tell me if can the picnic a fear game, or that me want to know. And I become tired for telling them I always compare, I always tell them I not attack children. I not like the idea of it. I don't like the idea of it. So me go easy myself. When I go see me a cuss our baby, because to be honest, if fucking picking at even attack a baby that. Me not gonna attack her picnic. I'm not gonna do it. Me I leave it. But when I see her attack, when I tell her to chat anything she want to chat, but don't go kids. Me go give her a bumbo clap pass. No. I swear upon my fucking life right here, so me gonna give her a pass. Me not say nothing, especially about her child. I'm not gonna do it. But if she fucking dare make a mistake and utter children or kids again, then una have to go back shame on me. Una have to go cry shame on me. Remember me did tell you, you know, sir. Me did tell you no. Remember me tell you for an evening say. Me tell you for an evening say. Me will leave it. I never trouble this girl.
Them will taking care of him.
And the girl run for trouble me, you know. And you see, what she read, yes, what she feel like for comment say. Me not take care of my picnic them. Jesus Christ, have mercy, God. Why, God, why? Until I say devil, man.
Me not have none.
Me I told her say the devil, man. The devil. Jesus Christ.
You're married, you are just family is a problem. You get pregnant for your husband is a problem. Then what are you supposed to do? So when I did marry, you can have as many.
I know the book part about it, guys. More ask now a serious question. My puppy them. More ask now a serious question, guys. I'm want to know if you talk the truth because I want thing with Uno mouth bust just like man. Uno we talk it true. When we ever compare ya, be honest now we know you have 4 puppies, 1 dead. When we ever compare ya, I'm beg no for me pity them. Talk the truth. Whenever I ever come and put up a GoFundMe or put up my PayPal or anything, I say me I beg on something for me pity them. When?
Never.
When me really want to know because it look like me I do it and it look like me I do it and I know. So me really want to know when me ever do that. More ask one more question. When none of you ever see me picnic them when me picnic them dressed up and I go, as a matter of fact, not even dressed. When you ever see me picnic them come on live and look dirty and not clean. When you ever see me picnic them come out and me picnic them look like they malnourished and me picnic them look like they thirsty and want water. They hear want comb, they want bathe. When you ever see me picnic them come out and act like them are grown ass adults and don't act like children. When you ever see me picnic them come out and people can't do. It's like if you do good, them hate you. If you do bad, them hate you. Because one thing I really want to know, right? Me a 27-year-old. I have 3 beautiful picnic. They're comfortable in life, right? I'm a married woman. I have my own little business. I have my YouTube, which is a job. I have my TikTok, which is also a job. And I have my online business, which is a job. Right? I also, when I'm ready, do hair on the side. I still press on nails on the side. Right? Me never compare so yet. And for people who stop with me in a real life and follow me in a real life, uno know. Me always the right so. And me come, me play, me match them, and me gone. There was a time when me come and me rank day and me rank night. And from the other day, on the artist, me come on TikTok, and me only come on TikTok because of how me realize say you reach to the point now where every accomplishment where you get in a life, even if it has nothing to do with TikTok, them are gonna blame TikTok. Them are gonna say a TikTok make you get this. Them are gonna say a TikTok make you have this. When I bought my first car, there was no TikTok. Allow me to tell people who support me from taller time know this. When they buy our first car, there was no TikTok. I mean the type of girl me no hype and me don't show off. Me buy a car where me could afford it, could carry me from point A to point B because me never have it certain way. And me still make me move them. When me start my business, there was no fucking TikTok. Me start my business without TikTok.
So, people, me I gonna say this about them 2 girls, yeah. See, it's a Khandy. Khandy is a girl we put in there. You know what I mean? She put in her thing. You know what I mean? Cause me see where she never did have enough gifters. You see me? And she come and she put in, you know what I mean? She do her thing and now she up there with enough of the other people them where I get enough gifts. You see me? But you don't know say anyway money there mix up if you go on and cuss. You see me? And D is a girl where is a hustler. You see me? Is a girl where ever do things for build herself. You know what I mean? And me like the 2 of them. Me not like. You see me? But I saw it go out of meat. But me don't like when them bring the youth them in a them cuss. You understand? So we are going to watch a little more people and then we are going to end
So
it.
me been a live before TikTok, me been have money before TikTok, me been a make sense before TikTok. Oh no, that me dey on TikTok, everything when me do, a TikTok I get the praises for everything when they do. Like when now remember said they been there before TikTok, they been a survive before TikTok. Me been a make sense before TikTok, me always ambitious, bro. Always ambitious. Anybody on this can tell you, yes, TikTok is a big fucking help. TikTok is a big help to everybody cause me no shame to say TikTok help me. But at the same time, TikTok alone could build my house. TikTok alone could not build my house, bro. I'm going to tell you something else in life. Money alone no build house. It take ambition to do that. Money alone no buy car. It take ambition to do that. Because you have some people right now, me a talk to right now. You have some people them have 100,000 in them account right now. And them not buy no car with the car. Why? Them friend, when them buy the car, them friend are going to say what kind of bumbuckler eat that car that you go buy. And markets your fear push down. But them money can't buy markets. But because them not no ambition for themselves, them not looking at for themselves and know say, listen, at this me can blood clot afford, so at this me I go buy. Ambition do things, bro. When you're ambitious, you make moves without money. People that are not ambitious, they will never move unless them see the way out. Them have, you have some people in a life, you have to literally take them up and bring them got the blood clot well and make them drink. Then you have some people, them are go take up the one big bag pan them back and them are go walk up the blood clot hill and them are go sweat and them are go sweat and them are go bust them brain and them are go reach the hill and when they reach part top of the hill, they now go sit down, them are go get up same way and push down the blood clot rope in the tank and take their little time with it and rope up the water and drink it because them thirsty and them know why them go up the hill in the first fucking place. Me never have it easy. Never. And for people with blood clot, they on TikTok are willing to fucking talk, want to talk. Because none of them see me in a bumble clot rank in a week time. When you come for your so see the upper top one, talk the truth no man. You see a big gift up on me page a chew out and a shoe out over ya. No. No, you don't see them thing there. About 2 years, take me to get a lion on TikTok and see blood clot person send the lion there. I'm number one right now, Maddie. And I become Maddie, I'm a sister in a fucking real life. Maddie is not a TikTok friend to me or a TikTok sister to me. Yes, I met her on TikTok long time ago. But Maddie is a true person me can call and reason with about anything. I'm going to hear it back. Me and Maddie have a good relationship. And Maddie was the person who sent me one lion must see Amora birthday. Other than that, me not get big gift over here. So I stop with all of my accomplishments them on TikTok and me not make it over here like that. Me not make money on TikTok like that. Mams, I sit down and I tell one bag of bumbo clan life for me and I talk about how me get money for the body and me this and bro, wanna leave me the fuck alone, dog. And because as me say me don't want to talk because me don't want to give you the fucking satisfaction. What you want, I'm not gonna give it to you. And if me come and address the things in way I say about me spot on, head on, I am gonna give you satisfaction and that me don't want to, bro. And that me don't want to do. Wanna get up there, wanna get up night on the class, Jelani. Wanna get up there, wanna get up night on the class, Jelani, go on the class, Jelani, come.
Yo.
When you not have secret for Jelani, you have secret for me. Remember, you done some blood clot dance go already, you know. What else you go say? You say me, alright, wait, you say me husband a beat me, you say me dance go. What else they say about me, Paya? One only person thing gonna say about me, and you not gonna know. Yeah.
Yourself front.
People sit down and people fucking realize, say, as much as on the talk bad about this girl, on the chat about this girl, this girl is a very blood clot, ambitious girl. This girl take care of her, this girl loyal to her husband. Me not understand what half of the things I wanna say. It just don't make no sense.
Alright, my people. So alright, just so me I go end it. Want to tell me what you think in the comment section about everything. You know what I mean? Yeah, so right, that's how we are going to end it.